Hello future designers and developers, and this is another video on this Planet Express webpage, and it is how to add buttons using links. So there's a lot of different ways to actually add buttons in HTML, and some are better than others. When you add just a generic button tag, you do add a button, but it doesn't work unless you click on the text there. So we want to add a button just using a link. So I did this once already on the page where I just added a link and then I stylized it in my CSS to make it look like a button. So I'm going to add a button into this Meet the Crew column over here. So I have my image. I want to place it after my image. I am going to throw in an A, href is equal to, and for this one I am just going to send it back to this page, index.html, and over here I am going to fill it with meet us. So there we have the button. It's not a button yet. So let's change some things to make it actually look like a button. So when we go into the CSS, I want to, first thing that I want to do, I want to give this a class. So I'm going to give this a class and call it equal to meet us. So that's the name of the class. And now in the CSS, you see I already have an A with button. So I'm going to do a.meet us. And now we can start editing that right there. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the background. So background color, let's make it pop. We're going to do white. There we go. You can see that those corners aren't really great. So what we can do is say border radius. And the border radius, I can add 4 pixels, make a little rounded, colon, semicolon. There we go. And we can also see that there's a little bit of, it's too close. It's too close. So we want to move it. So let's add margin top. We'll put that down 10 pixels, give it a little gap. Oh, that didn't quite work. Here, inside of the HTML, I'm just going to throw in a line break. So BR over here. And there we go. We now have a button that is spaced out. And you can see that it still has all the attributes of the hover that we were using before, as well as it is a full link. Even if I go over here to click on just the white, it's still going to pop up. All right, so that was another quick tutorial on how to add buttons. You can add buttons to our other 2 pages here or our other 2 columns. I'll talk to you later. See you in the next one.